बदतमीजी करने के
सुनिए
लिए
मेरी बात,
आगे नहीं
सुनिए
आएगा।
मेरी बात, सुनिए मेरी बात। एक कोई आदमी आ जाता है और कहता है सर, जैसे कि अभी ये लेट अस लुक एट द व्हाट इज दैट गर्ल चाइल्ड को जो पैसे दिए जाते हैं, 1-1 लाख रुपया उनका फिक्स डिपॉजिट बनाया जाता है, लाडली लक्ष्मी।
नहीं, what is the point?
नहीं, मैं पॉइंट ये है
Yeah.
कि यदि आपके पास फॉर्म ले आए, आप साइन करेंगे नहीं करेंगे?
का अधिकार है तो बिल्कुल करेंगे।
नहीं,
क्यों
यदि
करेंगे? उसका
यदि अधिकार नहीं है तो नहीं करेंगे,
नहीं करेंगे।
लेकिन नीलेश करेंगे। अगर अधिकार नहीं है तो भी करेंगे।
अच्छा, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप जिस ढंग से लोगों के प्रति इतना प्यार मोहब्बत दिखा रहे हैं, आपके घर के लिए कोई कंपाउंड है?
नहीं है।
कोई दरवाजा है? क्यों है?
बिल्कुल है।
खुला रखो।
क्योंकि
यदि प्यार और मोहब्बत के साथ यदि आपको जीना है आम आदमी की तरह, तो आम आदमी खुद बनिए। यदि वो नहीं बनना चाहते, घर में कुछ न रखिए चोरी होने वाला।
सर जी,
यदि आपको
Point is, they are saying sometimes
Nilesh is saying no.
sometimes you have to
breaking the law.
go, sometimes you have to
No,
go out
it's a-
of the way.
See, I have spoken to a large number of politicians
Yes.
as well. It's a horrible life.
It's not easy to be a politician.
Many people might think that the power and that red light on the car is some great thing, and if somebody's saluting you is a great
Yeah, it's
thing.
horrible
It
thing.
makes no sense. Because truly there are people who come and harass them
Yes.
day in and day out, not necessarily to break the law, but for little favors,
Bending
for
the law.
small bending the
To
law.
the advantage
Speak
of that
to this
particular
one, speak to that one. So it's a continuous cycle of favors and trying to work your way around a very complicated system.
Seva, as we
But
call
what
it.
I'm trying to say, yes, absolutely, I agree with that. But I think it is an interest, therefore, of all politicians and of all citizens that we devise a system without getting at one another's throats, by which these services can be simply delivered to the people without the intervention of these politicians. So it saves the trouble for the politician as well of having to deal with every little Tom, Dick and Harry or Bostian,
Oscar,
Hari.
I'll give you an instant. I'll give you an instant. No, one example in point. One last point.
No, I'm running out of
One
time.
last point. I will further what he is saying. And notwithstanding whatever may be the result of Luisín Falero becoming a chief minister, in 1999, the first decision he had taken that every permission that is going to be given to you, there was specific time limit. Say if you have a driver's
Correct.
license
There was fixed time
within
you
3
have
days,
to give within this limit.
your
Right to
learning
service. I think
license
Manohar is
immediately.
working on this, if I'm not
You are
mistaken.
doing this,
They are just promising.
and let me tell you,
He's
let
been
me
work-
tell
he
you,
said
it
that
worked.
he's working.
Okay. So it works.
It worked for 4 months till the time he was the chief minister.
If you do system seriously, they work.
Yes.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगा आता जेन्ना ते आता समजी ताणी पयलीच दिसा जेन्ना प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतली आझाद मैदानाचेर म्हणजे फर्स्ट नारो आशिल्लो की आमी गोंयाकूय लोकसभा इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करतले आणि गोंयाक विधानसभा इलेक्शन
आणि असेंब्ली आझाद मैदानचेर घेतले, जन लोकपाल घालतले रामलीला मैदानाचेर.
Nilesh retired वापस.
दोतोर जन लोकपाल on Ramlila Mandir, this grounds, assembly on Ramlila grounds. Is this what we are in for?
Okay.
I agree with you.
Is this the kind of
No.
I'll come to you.
यहाँ वो गलत समझ
I will
क्या
come to you.
गलत
आज
समझ
तक
रहे हैं?
शपथ आप राजभवन में लेते थे, अभी यहाँ आजाद मैदान में लेते हो शपथ आप.
This is for you.
तो वहाँ पे भी गैलरी के अंदर लोग बैठेंगे, विधानसभा का तो वो
Okay.
जो भी स्पीकर होगा
नीलेश भाई,
उसकी
आप
इमेज
एक
होगी.
काम करिए, आप जब
जनता की
यान
दीर्घा होगी.
यान चलेगा तो मून पे जाके आप शपथ लेंगे.
कर लेंगे बिल्कुल.
लेकिन ले लीजिए,
No, Oscar भाई, म्हाका एक
शपथ तो
गजाल
ले
सांग.
लीजिए.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांग. म्हाका एक गजाल सांग. जेन्ना ते गोंया भितर येता म्हणटात आनी गोंया भितर येवन हें सगळें करता म्हणटात, मनोहर पर्रीकर is a very larger than life figure for the BJP, and he had created all the hopes. As you said, everybody considered him that Arvind Kejriwal. I'll come to you. Okay. Everybody considered him that Arvind Kejriwal who will bring the change. फाल्यां ताणी समजा अशी गजाल हाडली where Delhi did not have a towering figure like that, a political figure like that. Goa has it. How will it work? What will be the local dynamics? Will it succeed or will it not succeed?
I would
when
think-
there is a when there is a factor.
Dr. Oscar Bello
Definitely
will
not.
lead
This is,
AAP party.
definitely
I'm not saying that. I'm not even hinting at it.
Dr. Oscar Bello is very happy looking after his patients.
Okay.
I want to talk to you again.
He doesn't want Aam Aadmi a party as a patient.
Okay. Jenna
Yeah,
Manoj
even
Parrikar.
patient.
No, my heart,
Manoj Parrikar
clearly my
सारख्या-
heart is with the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yeah,
There cannot be,
okay.
there cannot,
Manoj
you cannot change
Parrikar
that.
सारख्या factor असताना how much Aam Aadmi is
To my mind, let
Yeah.
me be, in one sentence, let me say, whether it's Manohar Parrikar or let's not take individuals. But I'm not sure about 2014, but come 2017,
17.
for the assembly election, the party, whether it is Congress, whether it is BJP, or whether it is Aam Aadmi Party, if it comes into circulation in Goa, the party that articulates the ideology and the principles of the Aam Aadmi Party the best and convinces the electorate, to my mind, that is the party that is.
No, why I'm asking you specifically?
I
Why?
agree with
No, why I took
That is
Manor-
going to win.
why I took Manohar Parrikar's name? Because Manohar Parrikar is a figure where BJP always cashed up.
No, not cashed upon. Manohar Parrikar came to power in 2012, in my opinion, not on the BJP ideology, not on the Hindutva ideology. One of his biggest support base today is the Catholic support base in Goa. He came to power on these issues of corruption, of whether it was illegal mining, whether it was the real estate thing. But regional plan is not in, the casinos are still there, the illegal mining the illegal miners have not been caught. So these things, now there may be reasons for this. There are economic reasons for this. I'm not trying to say that Manohar Parrikar is making money on this. But there are reasons for this. There are economic reasons. You cannot crumble the entire economic edifice. I agree with that. But he has not been able to articulate this with the Aam Aadmi. He's not been able to put this point of view out to the public. And that is why the public is so enraged. They don't seem to understand why a man who was going hammer and tongs against all these illegalities as the leader of opposition today goes soft on them. This is what the public is not understanding. And Manohar Parrikar, instead of engaging with the public on these issues, he just ticks
So-
them off.
so
I'm not talking about a
basically-
U-turn. U-turn you may have to make in government. But he ticks them off. No, I know what I'm doing and I'm doing the best.
Okay.
So very often,
Nilesh
sometimes
Kabra, 2
as
points.
the chief minister, you've got to listen more and talk less. I've said this on numerous occasions, and I'm
And
going
you're
to say
saying
this
it
again.
again.
Yeah.
And
Don't
act
point
on what
out.
you
No, I'll
listen.
come to you. Jiten Bab, I'll
Act
come
on
to
what
you.
you listen,
No,
Dr.
no,
Jiten
but
Bab, I'll
the
come to you.
the Congress never spoke and never
दोन
acted. So I
पॉइंट
don't
आसा
really
दोन
have
पॉइंट
much
आसा
patience
एक
for that.
पहिली गजाल तुम्ही जेन्ना इतलो क्लियर तुमकां मॅन्डेट मेळ्ळा यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ स्पेस फॉर अ फोर्स लायक आम आदमी इन गोवा अरविंद केजरीवाल सेड आमकां बाबा रस्त्यार येवन केन्नाच पॉलिटिक्स करपाचें इंट्रस्ट नाशिल्लें तुमी पाळी हाडली हांगा तुमी परत पाळी हाडटा जंय तुमी लोकांची एस्पिरेशन्स फेल केल्या यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ स्पेस फॉर आम आदमी पार्टी फॉर 2017 यू एग्री विथ दॅट
पयलीं सुद्दां हांव तुका सांगू प्रमोद तांकां दे आर व्हेरी वेलकम इन गोवा
यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ स्पेस
We are not creating. You have given, people has given आमकां 5
People
वर्सां
gave you
दिल्ली आसा
mandate.
5
But
वर्सां मॅन्डेट दिल्ली आसा
2 years down the line you are creating
एक वर्स
space
8 महिने झाले 9 महिना चालू आसा 1 year 8 months is over.
Yeah.
See,
Yes,
I
Ram
agree.
Sene.
I agree that there are things which have not happened. Who says no? I am blunt. See, if Bob Oscar can say, so can I. I am a BJP MLA. I choose for the party. I am for the party. I will support my party. But when there are things which are not what was projected or what did not happen, of course I will be the first to speak. There's nothing. Yesterday there was GBI meeting. I went for the GBI meeting. I didn't have to ask anybody. I went, attended. I gave my views. So I am of that opinion. See, I have not come here because I have.
you
been
agree
put-
that you are creating space for them
I am not agreeing that I am giving space to them. We have been given 5 years. There are some things, there are some things where like
Guspala.
Dr. Oscar has said that economics to run a state. See, today bureaucracy, they get salary on time. Where does the money come from? From the taxes generated by the
This
public.
nobody argues.
Yeah.
And
So what
this,
I'm trying to
Manohar
say
is isolated.
So that's what I'm
you
trying to
handle the
say.
economy, you
Now,
pay the salary,
tomorrow-
everything else we will protest. So
No,
nobody else
so
gives you. That's
tomorrow
my
how is
argument
going to
always.
run? See,
That
today
nobody gives an economic
tourism is
answer.
not the source of revenue for the state.
okay they are welcome
Of course they are welcome. Bring
Jiten Bab,
competition.
Jiten Bab,
Bring competition. But I will tell you one thing. Let me finish
Yeah.
before you go. This 1 year, 8 months, you cannot prove to us any corruption. Have you
Okay, that's a different issue.
5
That's a
years
different
back,
debate.
every alternate day there was corruption.
Nilesh Bab, that's a different debate
No, that's not a different
Jiten
debate.
Bab, the point is no Jiten Bab, question
You
is
require Iris Rodriguez for that debate.
the question is
No,
Call
not
me, I'm there.
Jiten Bab, the question
Even
is,
Iris Rodriguez stands president.
in an eventuality where BJP is creating a space for Aam Aadmi Party in Goa, people will not look at Congress as an option.
BJP will be
Your
option.
position will be worse than what it is right now if they come into the state. You agree or disagree?
I agree. For Congress, sir.
You agree for Congress. Jiten Bab,
I don't agree.
They'll replace
You don't-
the Congress.
Let me explain.
Why?
What are the reasons?
Yeah.
BJP may have created space. Congress had 5 rupees for one particular 1 and 14 extract. They increased it to 15 rupees.
What is your point?
1 minute.
Yeah.
20 rupees affordable price Congress had kept for stamp paper. They have raised
But
it
the
to
cost of the
Wait a minute. What is your point?
See
What
the
is your
rationality
point?
and irrationality.
So
1
this
minute.
costing
What is your point?
printing of this paper costing
Yes.
17 rupees.
Okay.
I
Yes,
wouldn't
sir.
mind
Sir,
paying
let
20
me
rupees for
explain.
that
Yes.
stamp
What is
paper
your point?
and not being robbed of
Let me
50
explain.
Yes, fine.
See, let us see. No, my point is, when government of Goa could have appointed a smaller person for Tarun Tejpal's bail, opposition of bail in Supreme Court.
Jiten
1 minute.
Bab,
It-
Jiten
it-
Bab,
that's
when
not-
your party,
that's-
when your party
No,
could have been
one thing, one moment.
when your party could have been a much
Pramod.
better opposition,
Pramod.
even you are creating space for Aam Aadmi Party.
Pramod,
You have been a
Jiten
bad
Bab,
opposition.
You'll have
No,
a
let me
big
explain.
problem in Goa if you put Tarun Tejpal as your candidate here. But so you please
No, I'm not
see to
putting
it that you
Tarun
don't.
Tejpal.
Jiten
Don't
Bab,
come anywhere close to
See,
Tarun
sir,
Tejpal.
sir, let me explain.
Jiten
I
Bab,
am
you-
only anguished at the fact that the public exchequer money is going to top class advocates who are being paid
Jiten
30
Bab,
lakhs,
your
35
party,
lakhs,
Jiten
for
Bab,
Tarun Tejpal's
Jiten
bail
Bab,
opposition.
your party has failed
Come
as an
on.
opposition.
If my government is going to use my money, I would
Jiten
prefer
Bab,
Aam Aadmi Party to swipe that government away. with their broom.
Jiten Bab, your party has failed as an opposition, creating more space for Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, let us
लास्ट म्हाका हय सांगात फायनल तुम्ही लोकसभा कॉन्टेस्ट करतात विधानसभा कॉन्टेस्ट करतात तुमकां खरेंच प्रामाणिकपणान कितलो विश्वास आसा की तुम्ही लोकसभेचे दोनांतली कितली जागी जिखतले एंड विधानसभा में आप कितनी जगह जीतेंगे
दिल्ली
नहीं गोवा में
मैं बता रहा हूँ
Yes.
दिल्ली हमारा लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट था। उधर हमने देश की जनता के सामने जो मूल्य आधारित एजेंडे थे उस एजेंडे हमने प्रूव करके दिखाए हैं कि
गोवा में मुझे
सुन लीजिए,
नंबर्स बताइए
सुन
नंबर्स
लीजिए,
बताइए योर नंबर
आप
योर
सरकार नहीं बना रहे
जितेंद्र
हो।
जितेंद्र लेट हिम फिनिश
मूल्य आधारित
लेट हिम
एजेंडा।
फिनिश
सुन
लेट हिम
लीजिए,
फिनिश
सुन लीजिए।
किसी को हराना ये तो मूल आधारित एजेंडा नहीं हो सकता।
जितेंद्र लेट हिम फिनिश
नहीं हमने वो सारी चीजें वहाँ प्रूव की है कि पैसे
गोवा में आप कितनी सीटें
नहीं,
निकालेंगे
अभी तो देखो विधानसभा को तो काफी दूरी है।
हाँ, लोकसभा
विधानसभा
में-
की बात नहीं हम करना
लोकसभा
चाहते।
में-
लोकसभा की हम दोनों सीट पे लड़ेंगे और जिन मूल्यों
कैंडिडेट कौन
को
निकले?
हमने स्थापित किए हैं दिल्ली में वो सारे मूल्यों को हमारे गोवा की जनता पूरी तरह से समर्थन करेगी
और आप कॉन्फिडेंट है कि आप दोनों जीतेंगे
सीट हम
सो
जीतेंगे।
मागदिस्ता
मैं
मागदिस्ता
पूछ रहा- एक
मुझे
मिनट,
वेळ सारखं
एक
सोपला
मिनट पूछ रहा-
विदर्भ मुझे वेळ सारखं सोपला
पूछ रहा-
मुझे वेळ सामकं सोपला
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
नाही मुगे
इनके
वेळ
मूल्य आधारित
मुगेलो
मूल्य क्या है?
मुगेलो वेळ सारखं सोपला हांव इतल्याचेर
आधारित
थांबता
मूल्य क्या है?
इतल्याचेर
दारू
थांबता
नाही
म्हाका
पिना,
खबर आहा म्हाका
पैसे
खबर आहा
नाही
हे डिबेट म्हाका खबर आहा हे डिबेट बाबाजी म्हाका खबर आहा डिबेट इतली एक वरा भितर जावपाची न्ही तरी आसतना आमी हांगाच थांबतात एक क्लियर कट तुमकां लक्षांत आयलां की कांय गजालीचेर सगळे जाण एग्री जातात की जें चल्लां तें सारकें न्ही पण ताका आम आदमी पार्टी पर्याय काय आपूण पर्याय हाजेर मात कोण उलोवपाक सध्या स्पश्टपणान तयार ना तुम्ही सगळे जाण आयले आनी इतली वर्षी उलयत थँक्स अलॉट पळयत रावात प्रुडंट नमस्कार